Hey guys, I'm Heather Teague. I'm a certified AI marketer and professor, here to help you get started with AI marketing. I recently discovered an AI marketing tool designed specifically for the solo business owner who is always bogged down in too many marketing tasks like social media posting, content creation, promoting your online products, communicating with customers. The list goes on and on. If you're new to AI marketing tools, this video is a great place to start. So check this out. Blaze is an all-in-one platform that uses AI to generate marketing content for pretty much every format: social media, email, online ads, SEO content, video scripts, and more. Let's look at an example. Let's start with social media. One of the questions I get the most is, how do I get started? Because learning AI can seem overwhelming at first, and that's why I really like this feature from Blaze. It takes you through a guided step-by-step process to get started with your content. Step one is your plan. And as you can see here, we're just gonna get a little bit of information about your goals, and it's gonna walk you through this. Okay, then we scroll down to step two. This is where the magic happens. This is where it's going to start generating that high quality content optimized for all the different social media platforms. And step three is what I really want to focus on for a moment, because this is really important. This is an important prompt. It's going to ask for more information about your target audience, the tone, the emotion. These are the types of prompts that are going to help generate better content that resonates with your target audience, because it's not going to be as cookie cutter as what you might get from ChatGPT. And then moving down to step four, here's where some of the automation comes into play. Blaze will automatically schedule your posts for the best times to maximize engagement and visibility. Ah, what a beautiful thing. Please give me my mornings back. And then finally, we head over to step five, and this is the final step in this process, and it's time to review the results. See how your content's doing and how you might be able to improve it for next time. So let's look at another example. Going back up to the top here, under product, all the different areas in terms of content. Over here, you can pick industry. So let's pick e-commerce. So let's say you have an online store. And boy, that requires a constant stream of fresh content and promotion. Here's how Blaze helps you tackle it with AI. Here we go. The first step's going to help you map it out with the marketing plan wizard once again, tailoring it to your audience and your products. Step two is where the fun really starts, with instant content creation, like product descriptions, social posts, and email campaigns, all to promote your store and your products. Next, step three, you quickly edit your brand voice. This is super important for brand consistency across all of your marketing channels. By the way, you can also create a personalized brand kit that you can apply over and over again to each project. This will help you keep your content sounding fresh and authentic. Next, we post. So we publish automatically across all of our platforms very easily: social media, blogs, and more, from one marketing calendar. Easy. Okay. And then step five, of course, we want to track the results with our analytics dashboard. And finally, here's the pricing structure. As you can see, the creator and pro pricing plans are very reasonable for solo owners. And with one tool, you may be able to consolidate some costs depending on what you're currently utilizing. They break that out for you right here as a comparison. So before I wrap up, I just wanted to remind you that Blaze has an excellent collection of tutorials right on their website. You can find this under Blaze 101 and the Blaze Academy. Really helpful if you'd like to learn more about how the tool works before you sign up. So that's it. I hope you found this overview of Blaze to be helpful. I've included a link to the website down below. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and thanks for watching.